Assalamu alaikum dear student, this is your 8th lecture. Open your books, page number 44, exercise B. Fill in the blanks with suitable words from the list below. You must have read the chapter, so you have to choose the correct word from the help box. The box is astonish, stationery, sauntered, anticipation, increase, awkward. Soon there were other tracks, a railway siding and a dash goods train. Astonish, stationery. Stationery is the right answer. Soon there were other tracks, a railway siding and a stationary goods train. Sajid felt a thrill of dash. Astonish, sauntered, anticipation. Anticipation is the right answer. Sajid felt a thrill of anticipation. The number of railway lines dash cross spread out in different directions. Astonish, sauntered, increase. Increased is the right answer. The number of railway lines increased, cross spread out in different directions. He was so dashed that he almost fell out of the compartment. Astonished, sauntered. The right answer is astonish. He was so astonished that he almost fell out of the compartment. He did not want the ticket driver asking him dash questions. Sauntered, awkward. Awkward is the right answer. He did not want the ticket driver asking him awkward questions. Shrugging his shoulders, Sajid dashed down the road to the bazaar. Sauntered is the right answer. Shrugging his shoulders, Sajid sauntered down the road to the bazaar. Exercise C, Part 1. Can you write the collective nouns for groups of the following? Use the list below. What is collective noun? Collective nouns are the names of groups of persons and things of the same kind. You can choose correct word from this help box. The help box is horde, galaxy, range, orchestra, board, team, song, crew, audience, flock, bunch, gang, fleet, pack. Sheep, herd, ships, fleet, sailors, crew, bees, swarm, wolves, pack, stars, galaxy, barbarians, horde, cattle, herd, criminals, gang, people listening in a theater, audience, director, board, flowers, bunch, musicians, orchestra, 11 footballers, team, mountains, range. Do exercise C, Part 1 in English grammar copy. Do exercise B, Part 1 in English text copy. Exercise C, Part 2. Pick out the abstract nouns from the following. What is abstract noun? Abstract nouns are the names of states or quality possessed by people or things. We cannot touch these qualities as we can touch concrete objects. In other words, those objects we cannot touch or see are called abstract nouns. We cannot touch pride, so it's abstract noun. We cannot touch friendliness, so it's abstract noun. We cannot touch lightness, so it's abstract noun. We cannot touch victory, so it's abstract noun. We cannot touch peace, so it's abstract noun. You have to do exercise C part 2 in English grammar copy like this. Exercise C part 3. Form abstract nouns from the following adjectives. Free, freedom. Thin, thinness. Sweet, sweetness. Delicate, delicacy. High, height.
Broad, breadth, wide, width.
Awkward, awkwardness. Honest, honesty. You have to do exercise C part 3 in English grammar copy like this. Page number 46. Exercise C part 4. State what quality is possessed by a person who is kind, kindness. Tidy, tidiness. Helpful, helpfulness. Lazy, laziness. Quiet, quietness. Foolish, foolishness. Loyal, loyalty. Accurate, accuracy. Hardy, hardness. Do exercise C part 4 in English grammar copy. Exercise C part 5. Pick out the verbs in the following sentences. What is verb? Verbs are words which tell about actions or states of being. We have to underline verb. Verb means work. Run to the shop. Run is a verb. Underline it. And buy me a box of matches, please. Buy is a verb. Underline it. The children in the crowd shouted and cheered. Shouted is a verb. Underline it. Cheered is a verb. Underline it. If you want to go to Karachi, go is a verb. Underline it. You must book a seat on the bus. Book is a verb. Underline it. The book fell to the floor. Fell is a verb. Underline it. Be careful or you might fall. Fall is a verb. Underline it. Malik spent 2 weeks in the hospital after the fall. Spent is a verb. Underline it. Fall is a verb. Underline it. The boys go for a run every day. Go is a verb. Underline it. Run is a verb. Underline it. The children crowded round the teacher. Crowded is a verb. Underline it. Do exercise C part 5 in English grammar copy. Dear student, this is the end of today's lecture. Please complete your homework before next lecture. Thank you.